Hi, good morning. Welcome to subramani.com. Thanks for coming in regularly to have a look. Please click on the bell icon and subscribe to it. Please share it amongst your friends. Today I'm going to give you one magical one word which will make you rich. I'll tell you what is the word a little later. So, if you've been in India, you have been approached by some financial planner or an advisor or a bank RM or generally some insurance agent. Somebody would have caught you and told you the virtues of investing. And he would have nicely come and confused you about how you should be doing goal-based investing, focused investing, and what have you. The complete works. You have to do asset allocation, you have to do all those kind of things, all lots of jargon, and sold you some pieces of action. You would have had a large cap fund, a mid cap fund, a balanced advantage fund, multi-cap fund, and you just were watching it and your portfolio got built. Then they would have come and told you that you have a child, you should have a child plan. You're going to retire, you should have a pension plan. You should have some more diversification. Then you have to diversify across fund houses. So you should have a Nippon, you should have a Birla, you should have Axis. And so all these fund houses, everybody made their way into your portfolio. Then some other friend or friend's friend or somebody would have come and given you a ULIP. So you have a ULIP insurance, you have a ULIP pension plan, and suddenly you find that you have every product in the country available on your portfolio. Then of course you would have built your leverage, you would have had a car loan, a home loan, and what have you, a marriage loan, honeymoon loan, whatever they could have pushed on you, and you would have had all that. Now suddenly look at your portfolio. You've got you've got theme funds, you've got sectoral funds, you've got large cap funds, you've mid cap funds, you've multi cap funds. And one thing you have is you are confused. You of course have your Demat account in which you bought some shares, and then you bought gold bonds, you bought ETF. And actually what has happened is, even though you've heard all these terminology, you did not do a very focused investing. You did not do any asset allocation. So you have all these, and suddenly you found somebody who came and said, can I put all your portfolio in one place and organize it? And then you find that you've got an overlap, you've got too much of mid cap, you've got small cap, you don't have enough of large cap, you don't have much of bond funds, which means you're perhaps excessively equity oriented, or you've created a mess. What has happened is, even though you heard about goal-based investing, focused investing, etc., you did not do it. So what does a person really need? Right? Like Shikhar Gupta says, let's cut the clutter. You need a term insurance. Right? Whatever be your age, if there is somebody dependent on you, when you're young and unmarried, maybe your parents are dependent on you. If you're married and you have children, your wife and children, and maybe even parents are dependent on you. Maybe you're paying the fees of your younger sibling, they are dependent on you, right? So if there is somebody dependent on you, you should have term insurance. The first basic product you buy is term insurance. You start investing, you don't know where to invest, you don't know what to do, that's fine. Today you have something called a direct plan. Either you go into a direct plan where you don't require too much brain, then go just into an index fund. But for heaven's sake, don't go into a direct plan and buy esoteric products. Don't buy a Brazilian fund and a Chile fund and a China fund. Don't get into it, right? For example, everybody now seems to be making money on the US fund. What happens if the rupee dollar changes in favor of the rupee? You will lose all your gains, right? So understand the risk. If you don't understand all those risks, stick to an Indian index fund. That's enough. So that was your second product, right? You had term insurance, you have an index fund. I'm of course assuming you have a savings bank account which you have got. Other than this, you don't need much. Yes, you need a credit card, maybe 2 credit cards, and that's it. So what is this magical word which will make you rich? The word is no. Anybody comes to you with any product beyond these 4 or 5 products, just say no. You do not have to have every product that the industry comes up with. Industry comes up with one product every day, and they will tell you how it is such a great product. They will tell you how it's such a great product twice. Once when there is an NFO. Whenever there is an NFO, they will tell you why this theme will work, and this is a great theme. There's a pharma theme, there's a healthcare theme, there any of those themes, or a banking theme, right? All those themes will look fantastic at the time of the NFO. Once the NFO is over, nobody in the fund industry is bothered too much about those products, because every fund house has 40 products. So then that product will be there somewhere in the background. But suddenly one day when one of those funds do well, they will give you a working saying how in the last 5 years, if you had put so much money, this will be worth so much. But that time they didn't tell you that you should do an SIP. They did not tell you you should do in this fund, right? So there is too much of cacophony. Just ignore it. Learn the most important word in financial investing. The word is no. Nahi, nayat, vendam, nathi jotu, nakko, whichever language, right? 9, right? Any language, anything, just say no. You have too many products anyway, so just have a simple product, one index fund. That's enough. One term insurance, one index fund, 1 or 2 savings bank account, 1 or 2 credit cards. That is all that you need, right? Just say no. So the magical word which will make you rich is no. By not buying too many products, you will get rich. Thank you.